Today we're having corn on the cob, sausage, green bean, potato casserole, a roe, and my raspberry zinger poke cake.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and it's beautiful here in Georgia today, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. And the recipe that I'm going to be doing today is called sausage, green bean, and potato casserole. And here are my ingredients. I'm going to be using sausage, yellow potatoes, green beans in a can, onion, a little olive oil, red pepper flakes, salt and black pepper, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and garlic. And this recipe will be in the description below. So let me get started on my recipe.
Hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down.
I'm going to be adding in my sausage to about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, now then I'm going to be adding in my onion. I'm going to be cooking this until the onion comes translucent. Alright, my onions are done now, so I'm going to put in my garlic. Alright, my onions have cooked now and my sausage, and so I'm going to add this to my potatoes. Okay, my sausage and onion and garlic have cooked now, so I'm going to add in my olive oil to my potatoes. So now I'm going to toss these around real good. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my sausage and onion and garlic.
Marie, that sure is smelling good.
Yeah, it really smells good today, doesn't it? Okay, now I'll put in my spices. I'm going to put in my red pepper flakes, my black pepper and salt, my garlic powder and Cajun seasoning. Okay, and I'm going to stir this all up, mix it all together. Okay. Now then I have this all stirred up, so now I'm going to put in my green beans. Okay. All right, I got this all mixed up now, so I'm going to pour it in my pan. This is sprayed. It's a 9 by 13. This is going to make a really good meal. Okay. I'm going to cook this on 400 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. And I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. And so when it's done, I'll be back. Okay, my casserole is done. Okay, I'm going to take the foil off of it. This really looks delicious. I smell all of that good seasoning in it, and the green beans, and the sausage, and the potatoes, and onion. They just smell wonderful. I just can't wait to eat this meal. And this meal right here would be a good meal for Christmas side dish. And Thanksgiving's already passed, but you could use this for Thanksgiving or any meal that you wanted to take it to. So I'll be back in just a minute. I want to plate this up. Today we're having corn on the cob, sausage, green bean, potato casserole, a roe, and my raspberry zinger poke cake. All right, I've got our plates already plated, and I'm ready to eat. What about you, Calvin?
I'm ready, Marie. That smells great.
Okay, so now to do my favorite part, the taste test. I'm going to bite a potato. Those are good and tender, but I did wind up cooking mine about 10 extra minutes. Got some green bean and sausage and a little onion. Yeah, this is a real good tasty side dish. So if y'all want to take this to any potluck dinner or anything, you won't be disappointed. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Oh, how I wish